Meaning of disgruntled.
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 Disgruntled. The word disgruntled refers to a feeling of dissatisfaction or resentment towards something or someone. It describes a person who is unhappy with a situation, and may even feel a sense of anger or bitterness about it. When someone is disgruntled, they may express their feelings through complaints or negative behavior, which can create tension and conflict in their relationships or workplace. Failure to address the source of their discontent can lead to a decline in morale and productivity, and may ultimately result in the loss of valuable employees or customers.